Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel Crazy Coins. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious and healthy wheat cookies. These are the ingredients required to make wheat biscuits. 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar powder, pinch of baking soda and pinch of salt for taste. Firstly, take a bowl and add butter into it. Then add powdered sugar to it. Whisk them gently until it becomes a smooth paste. Now to this, add 1 cup of wheat flour, also add a pinch of salt and baking soda into the mix. By adding baking soda, the cookies will be more crunchy. You can also add nuts to it. Then mix all the ingredients and make a dough. You need not add any water into the mixture as the butter itself is enough. Then take a plate and grease it with ghee or butter. Then coat some maida as shown here. Now take a part of dough and make it into different shapes. Take the remaining dough and add some cocoa powder to it and mix it. Now you can cut it to different shapes of your choice. Now add some sand to cooker. Sand is optional. Insert a stand and place the cookies plate over it. Bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Finally, our yummy and crunchy wheat biscuits are ready. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Crazy Corns.